Unlike mudjacking mud, our polyurethane is engineered and manufactured to provide the most durable and lightweight repair possible. But don't just take our word on it. Engineers from both the Illinois Tollway and the Illinois Department of Transportation require the use of polyurethane foam for repairing Chicagoland's highways and tollways. With Acme Concrete Raising and Repair, you receive the same quality repair relied on to raise and support highways. Material data sheets will clearly reflect crucial statistics such as density, compressive strength, and water resistance. Don't waste your time or money and settle for mudjacking. Demand a concrete raising specialist. Demand Acme Concrete Raising and Repair today.